This is how you overhand braid for beginners. Okay, so you part your section to your desired size. Comb the top, comb the bottom up to the middle and the sides. So that way we can have the braid exactly in the middle of the square. Right? So after you do that, you're gonna carve out 3 sections. So you're gonna pinch out this section, that's 1, and pinch out this section. So we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. Gather it all in your hands so it can look neat when you start braiding. So to start off your braid, your overhand braid, you're gonna take the left side. If you're right-handed, you're gonna take this left section on the end and you're gonna put it under this middle section. So the middle section can go over the braid. That's why it's called overhand braid. Okay. So take the section on the end, put it to the middle, and put the middle section over that section. Okay. Same thing on this side. You're going to take the one on the end, put the middle over, and repeat. Take the middle, put it over the end. And then as I'm braiding it, I'm pulling it tight so it can be nice and tight at the base. So put it middle over, middle over, middle over, middle over, middle over, middle over. And just keep saying that in your head so you can get the hang of it. Middle over, and there you go. You just created your first overhand braid.